Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can properly refill all detergents in Samsung Dishwasher Bespoke AI. So the first chamber is for a detergent tub. Just open it by pushing the yellow button and insert the top inside. The next one is for a rinse side, so you refill the rinse side here to this hole. And the last one is a salt storage. So just give me a second to get the focus. And the salt storage is located inside your device. You have to open the top by turning it to the left side and insert the salt storage here. Then close the top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.